In this module, we're going to show you how to install the partial fender right here that goes all the way into the light. So before we get started, we're going to grab the tack, which is a mixture of alcohol and water, and go ahead and do a quick wipe down. Now while you're at it, we're just going to do the edge right here, just kind of run that through. And then we are actually going to open up the frunk. So grab your phone and then open up the frunk, and this should open up all the way like so. So that's how we're going to be installing it. We're going to go ahead and grab your squeegee. We're going to be using a 2L, which I like, but use whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, you're going to go ahead and spray a lot of tack, and then make sure you clean your squeegee. Then you're going to run all this water down, and this is to get rid of all the contaminants prior to us starting. Next, we're going to go ahead and spray it one more time. Oh, one other thing is we are actually folding over this edge right here. So go ahead and run your microfiber across this edge as well. Okay. So next, we are going to grab a piece, hydrate it one more time. I already have it peeled up over there, so let me go grab it. So I already have this side hydrated. Okay, so don't worry about that part. And then you're just going to lay it down like so. Okay, you can see that this is a notch right here, and it slides really easy, and that's how you want it. Make sure you spray. Before you get started, make sure it's not sticking. If it's sticking, just peel back, spray more slip solution all the way around. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, we're going to start with this corner right here. There's actually already another piece. We're going to go right to this line right here. And then while you're doing that, you're just going to check this line right here all the way across. You see how clean that is? And once you feel like it's a good, clean line all the way across right here, you're going to go ahead. Okay, you're going to go ahead and grab some tack, peel back, spray it down, and then go ahead okay, there we go. And then spray some. There we go. So now this is tacked. We're going to go ahead and grab to this side. So I'm going to move over. And really your reference, guys, is going to be this right at this right here, this point. That's really where you're going to end. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and spray some tack. Pull it just a little bit, just a tad bit. Not a whole lot. We're going to grab the squeegee to make sure we're tacking. Look at that. It goes right to this line right here. So you got both corners completely tacked. Now we're going to be able to move this up and down. Look how I can move it up and down. And look at this line. It's inside this line. You can't really, if you can touch it, you can actually pull this back. Right? And then from here on out, while you're holding this, you can go ahead and just start pushing all this water downwards. And then the rest is pretty simple. You can go out this way and then move all that water, and then this little body line, just focusing on that, just get it all out. All right, so before we move on, I want you to do the same thing and repeat that process, right? This process is to make sure that we're getting rid of all the water, right, before we actually seal everything. It looks really good. I'm going to do a really quick wipe down. You can see no bubbles. We're really good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and spray all the edges, including the top edge right here. And then go ahead, just make sure that all the edges are good to go. Okay. This seals the deal. Make sure that everything is good. Now we got all this edge good. We're going to start from the top right here, let it fall down. What I mean by that is, watch this. I'm just going to go here and let the water kind of travel down, right, with the gravity. Okay. Once we get to that point, you flushed out all the slip solution. We'll get a little closer look here. But what you want to do is roll this over. Okay, you don't want to go quickly. But you're just going to go right here. Just roll it over like that. You see that? You'll get a good amount of coverage inside. This is why you need to open up your frunk. And then you're going to do the same thing. Roll it all the way over. Lastly, you got this little area. You're gonna roll that over, and you get this nice little line right here. And that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and wipe it down one more time. You got a little finger right here. Just go ahead and get it out. But that is it. And next, now it is protected.